Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Xbox One. Navigate to your system settings, then select Console Info to begin the process. A reset is a powerful tool to resolve various issues, from sluggish performance to persistent glitches, giving your console a fresh start. It is also essential if you are selling or gifting your console, ensuring all your personal data is securely erased before it leaves your possession. We will cover both types of resets thoroughly. When resetting your Xbox One, you have two distinct choices to consider carefully. Reset and Keep My Games and Apps is ideal for resolving software issues without the hassle of redownloading large game files. Conversely, Reset and Remove Everything performs a full factory reset, deleting all user accounts, saved games, and settings. Choose this option if you are experiencing severe system problems or preparing to sell your console to someone else. To perform a reset and Keep My Games and Apps reset, navigate to your System Settings menu. Select Console Info, then choose Reset Console. From there, simply select the Reset and Keep My Games and Apps option. Your console will restart, reinstalling its operating system in approximately 3 to 5 minutes. This method helps clear corrupted system files without the lengthy process of redownloading your entire game library, getting you back to gaming quickly. For a full factory reset, the steps are similar to the previous method, but the outcome is drastically different. Go to System Settings, choose Console Info, and then Reset Console. This time, select the Reset and Remove Everything option. Your console will completely erase all data, taking between 15 to 30 minutes, depending on the amount of stored information. Once complete, your Xbox One will be just like it was when you first unboxed it, ready for a new setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.